Alrighty, our last Disneyland day.
What day is it?
Day 13. No, yeah, day 13.
Yeah, it is day 13, and I thought that was weird. I thought Mickey's Fun Wheel was like they took all the cars off, but what they did...
It's not Mickey's Fun Wheel.
I don't care, it's Mickey's Fun Wheel. But what they did is open all the doors to them. That's so strange. I never saw that before.
Are those 3D glasses or regular?
Those are 3D glasses. He's ready for, what is in here? Oh, he's ready for Star Tours.
He's ready for, Toy Story.
Yeah, there we go.
These aren't 3D glasses, these are sunglasses.
But anyway, we're leaving the Alamo. We're doing our, well, we're on the wrong side of the street, but we're doing our walk as usual. We're already on Disney property. I really enjoy staying at the Alamo.
Oh, we're about to go into the hidden Mickey maze.
Yep. Goes.
From a bird's eye view, this looks like a hidden Mickey.
That's true, because yeah, we're curving around here. This is his bottom of his face.
Yeah, and then we're about to go up to his ear.
Uh-huh.
Right there.
And then it goes around.
And then on the other side is his other ear. But where his eyes and mouth should be, it kind of gets, it's kind of sad what happens to it. He's getting trampled by cars.
Oh, that is sad. That's gotta hurt. Trapped! We're stuck! Oh yeah, that's true. We're in trouble. No. We're part of the... Oh, they have breakfast? Do they have... I don't care if they have Mickey Prey. Yeah, give me it here. Hold on. We're eating. I shouldn't have made a video right now. Oh, that's just kids' meals. But we're starving. It's early entry. All of the proper Fantasyland rides are open. Look, there's no line for food. I'm just kidding. It's not that bad. Anywhere. It's just that... Well, we'll talk about it as a group. Bye. Alright. Aaron has successfully covered his entire body in syrup. So that means
this is a weird day for the Osinski clan. We're eating breakfast. We don't normally do this.
Well, that's true, but we were hungry and we were here before Rope Drop because we got the early entry. They pretty much only hold you in the Fantasyland area, so that's where Fantasyland was mobbed. You know we're filming?
I can't hear you.
Okay, so we have a 905 Space Mountain, and then I'll grab another Fast Pass and we'll head over there. Then I think we're gonna head over
over where?
Space Mountain.
Oh.
I was gonna grab another Fast Pass at 905, and then we'll head over to, and then we'll go over to Big Thunder in that area.
Why?
You don't want to go? Oh yeah, we should go on Big Thunder tonight.
Yeah.
We haven't talked this through, obviously, but we're enjoying a nice, relaxing breakfast because we didn't figure all the dark rides we went on, and why wait in the long line for a dark ride when we could do it later at the night with a really short line.
You don't know that for sure, though.
No, I don't know for that for sure, but
Here comes Rope Drop.
yeah,
people.
here, you record it while I finish my sandwich.
Run to the long lines that are already long.
Well, they're not long yet. Well, they are for Fantasyland. I don't think Space Mountain's like that. It's not, well, it's more of a brisk walk than it is a run.
Hurry, let's be the first ones on Space Mountain. Suckers! We were here first.
Well, we have a 6-hour Fast Pass in like 5 minutes, right?
Yeah. Alright. That was enthralling.
It was.
Rocky is behind Big Thunder right there.
I think it's going to, once it's finished, I think it's going to blend in really well with Big Thunder.
Star Wars Land?
Yeah. Galaxy's Edge.
And if you look over here, you can see Haunted Mansion and Splash.
Yeah. This is a nice viewpoint. Yes, you are pretty. And yes, you are handsome. This is a nice, relaxing morning. We're getting quite a few rides done, but Just soaking in the park while we still can.
Doing things we haven't done yet.
Right, like the treehouse.
And we just went on jungle cruise.
Yeah. And then we're going to go on Tom Sawyer's Island. And then we're going to head over to DCA for Radiator Springs. Whoa! That was a drop. Okay, bye.
We were the first raft to come to the island today.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
You want to be the first?
We're the first one to go to Dead Man's Grotto.
Ooh.
Beware of Captain Jack Sparrow.
Ooh. That scared you? Sorry. Yeah, I know, that's what I meant. Perhaps he knows too much. He's seen the cursed treasure. He knows where it be hidden. And we're out. That's a pretty shot. We made it. Survived. Oh,
I stole some treasure, you matey.
Da, 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 da. Don't you want to come up here and then you don't know it well enough where you can do his synchronization because he jumps up here and then I think he comes up here, he jumps around a little bit. Mommy will show you how it's done. Because he comes... You're not marching.
People are watching me.
And you care why?
People are watching you.
Hey, go up here and do it.
I'm fine.
Mickey Mouse dance.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Fantastic Mickey Mouse dance.
Yeah, I think so. Kind of sad they got rid of Murphy. Yeah, the dragon.
It is sad. It's not the same.
Yeah.
Fantastic Dream or
I'm good. I saw it once. If they had Murphy, I'd probably see it again. Alright, I can see. You gonna eat
I
it?
finally got it. Are you taking a video?
Yeah, you guessed right.
I finally got it!
Take a bite. Yeah, I'll hold your drink. And your hair. Hey, hold on to it. Was it worth the wait? Okay, good. Alright, let's go sit down for a second and then, yeah. Hold on to it for just a or she'll take it. Let's find a seat. Okay. We just finished our last day at Disneyland for this trip. And sorry there weren't very many videos for this day because my phone was acting really weird. The battery was draining fast and then I couldn't get a recharge, so.
After going on Grizzly River Run and it got wet.
Yeah, I mean, my phone is waterproof, but I think something happened where it just won't retake a charge. But when I plug it into the outlet, it's fine. It's already quickly it's at 33% already, and it was like at 11, like 15 minutes ago. Yeah. Anyway, we ended on a good note and a sad note at the same time. Our very last ride of the night was Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at night, which is the best ride to do. And Aaron and I were in row 13 on the 13th night of the trip, and we took that as the unlucky sign, as a lucky sign, as time to go, because we already did everything we wanted to do. We did all our must-dos, and today Aaron did all of California Adventure rides and all of the Disneyland rides in the same trip in 5 days. That's kind of hard to do. And some of those rides we did multiple times. Like in Cretacoaster, he did 13 times total, and his 13th time was on the 13th day, right? Mm-hmm. But, yeah, it was sad to leave. But we're coming back in July, so that leaves us excited. What are you guys thinking so far with 2 days of our trip to go? Basically a day and a half.
I can't wait to go home. I'm tired.
What about you, buddy? No real any thoughts at the moment?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I am a little looking forward to going home, but that's exactly what an Aaron press the button vacation is supposed to be.
I can't wait to sleep on my own bed.
Right, exactly. You're supposed to be having so much fun on vacation, but you're having so much fun that you can't wait to go home. You really appreciate what you have at home, and you appreciate your vacations. With that being said, let's get to bed. Tomorrow's a big day. We're going to Magic Mountain, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Aaron, press the button.